Hey there, folks. If you're a TD Bank customer, you know how convenient mobile banking can be, especially when it comes to depositing checks without stepping foot in a branch. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process of depositing a check using the TD Bank mobile app. It's super straightforward and saves you tons of time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the TD Bank app installed on your smartphone. If you don't, head to your app store, search for TD Bank, and download it for free. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your username and password. If you're new, you'll need to set up your account first. It's quick and secure. Now, once you're logged in, look for the main menu. It's usually at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the option that says Deposit or Mobile Deposit. This will take you to a screen where you can start the process. Before you proceed, remember to endorse your check by signing the back and writing, "For mobile deposit only," to ensure everything goes smoothly. Next, you'll need to take clear photos of your check. The app will prompt you to position the check on a flat surface with good lighting. Hold your phone steady and snap a photo of the front and the back. The app might auto-capture, but double-check for clarity. Blurry images can cause delays. After that, review the details like the amount and account number to make sure they're correct. Hit the Submit button, and voila! Your deposit is on its way. You'll get a confirmation message almost instantly, and the funds should be available in your account within a business day, depending on the check. Keep an eye on your app for any updates or notifications. One quick tip. Always make sure you're in a well-lit area to avoid any issues with photo quality, and shred the check after it's cleared to protect against fraud. There you have it. Depositing a check with the TD Bank mobile app is that easy. If you run into any hiccups, TD Bank's customer support is just a tap away. Give it a try next time and let me know in the comments how it went. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more banking tips. See you next time.